So hello guys, ang gagawin naman natin yan is disaster recovery concepts. Okay. So make sure na tayo ay nasa ACIDC 01. So on the server manager, on the server manager dashboard, select add roles and features. Okay. Before you begin, click next and next lang ulit. Next. Okay. Select server roles. Select the checkbox next to web server. Okay, so i-check natin yung web server IIS. Then add features lang. Then after that, click next. And then select the checkbox ng network load balancing. Nasaan yung network load balancing? Network load balancing. Okay. Check lang natin. Then add features. Then select features. Next lang ulit. Next lang ulit natin yan. Then next lang ulit natin. Then install. Now, siguro wait lang natin ito. Hintayin lang natin siyang mag-complete. I don't know kung pwede. Sige, try natin. Wala. Okay. So, try natin. So, lipat tayo sa ACIDM01. So, sabi dito, select add rows and features. And before we begin, next. Next lang din natin. Select destination. Next lang din. Then, web server ISS. Check lang din natin yan. Add features. Tapos, next. Then, network balancing. Network balancing. Sumabot ba tayo? Network load balancing. Add features natin yan. Tapos, next. Tapos, next lang. Next lang ulit natin. Then, install. And balik tayo sa isa. Tapos na to for sure. So, installation succeeded. Tama ba? Okay, close na natin. The taskbar, select natin yung File Explorer. Then, navigate natin to see backslash inetpub /www root. Then right click natin sa PNG file, open with saan? Okay, paint. In the paint application, select the A icon, insert a text box. In the paint application, move the cursor to the internet information. Here. So, lagyan natin 192.168.0.1. On the paint application toolbar, select the floppy disk icon. Save the file. Close the paint application. So, close natin yung paint, guys. And then, close the File Explorer. Close na rin natin yan. So, balik tayo sa ASCII-M01. So, close na rin natin to. Dahil tapos na siya. So, next. Balik tayo sa DC01. On the Server Manager dashboard, click natin yung Tools menu. And select natin yung Network Load Balancing Manager. So after that, right-click natin yung Network Load Balancing Clusters and select New Cluster. And ilagay natin sa host 192.168.0.1. Then connect. So, click natin yung next. So, sa host parameters, next lang din ulit. And then, hint natin yung add. So, sa IPv4 field, lagay natin 192.168.0.99. So, after natin malagay yan, lagay natin sa subnet mask. Okay. Automatic na siya. And click OK. So, sa new cluster, cluster IP addresses, Windows, select Next. And then, sa may, lipat natin sa multicast. And then, next. Then, after that, select natin is edit. Then, from 80 to 80, port range natin from 80 to 80. Then, sa protocols, TCP, and then, okay. Next, new cluster, port rules, select finish. And next, sa Network Load Balancing Manager, Windows, select and right-click on 192.1 is select. Ooh, what? My gosh. Select, right click, add host to cluster. Then, ang host field, 192.168.0.2. Then, click connect. Then, next, add host to cluster. Connect window. Ensure that the Ethernet adapter is selected. And click next. Huh? Add host to cluster. Parameters window. Finish. In the other status. Ay, dito. In the host, visual hosting cluster. Dito. Ang taskbar, Microsoft Edge. 192.168.0.99. Close Microsoft Edge. In the network code balancing manager window under the stop. So, connect tayo sa isa pang server. Open natin yung Microsoft Edge. 192.168.0.99. Oh, File Explorer. On the File Explorer, locate natin to. inet. inet pub /logs /log files /sbc. Double click sa text document. So close the notepad.